Hi, in the last video, we imported one of our tables, the pizzas tables. We imported that using PSQL. So let's go ahead and import the other tables using PSQL. So I'm going to just open my PSQL shell that I've opened before. And same syntax, right? So backslash copy. And this time I'm importing the pizza types table. So pizza, my table name is pizza types, pizza underscore types. From now I go and copy my file path. So I'm going to open my inverted comma and I need my file path. So it's pizza types. So I'm gonna copy as path. Remember, for those who are not Windows 11 users, you press your shift key, hold your shift key and you right click. So I'm going to go to my notepad and just paste that there so I can remove the quotation marks. Have that removed. I can copy, so Control C for this. And then I go to PSQL and I paste that. And then I close my inverted comma. And then I have to specify my delimiter. And our delimiter in this case is a comma. So delimiter, be careful with my spellings. And then insert my delimiter wrap it in two inverted commas. So my delimiter is a comma. I wrap that in an inverted comma, and then my table has headers, so CSV and header, and I close that with semicolon and I press enter, and I can see that 32 rows have been imported into pizza type table. Let's check. Let's just cross check. Let's open pizza type on Microsoft Excel just to cross check if I imported the right thing. So if I blow this up a bit, I can see that it's up to, so the title is in row 1, so and it's up to row 33, so that's 32 rows. So I think we are good. So let's import the other one. So we're going to be working on the orders table now. So I'm going to just go to PSQL again, backslash copy. We're working on orders now, so orders from open my inverted comma, I copy my file path, copy as path, I go to a notepad, I paste it there just so I can remove the quotation marks, I copy again, and I paste here, and then I close my inverted comma. Now I specify my delimiter is a comma, so delimiter. Okay, I just got an error, but I'll just start that again. So backslash copy orders from gonna paste. I've already copied it before, so I'm just going to paste the file path. My delimiter is a comma, and then check if my CSV as headers does. So I'm gonna just close that with a semicolon and enter, and you can see that I've imported 21,350 rows. So this is a really large table because it's our order table. It takes our daily orders. So let's import the last one, and that's the order detail. So same method, order details. Oh, sorry. Copy. So copy order details. Copy order details from. Now my file path. Let's get the file path. So that's my file here. Let's copy as path. let's go to Notepad, let's paste it here. Let's remove the quotation marks, clean it up a bit. Let's copy again and paste it in PSQL. Do not forget to close your inverted comma. And then what do we do next? We specify what our delimiter is. So our delimiter, a common mistake is writing delimiter as D-E-L-I-M-E-T-E-R. That's a common mistake. It's delimiter, L-I-M-I-T, limit. The limiter. My delimiter is a comma, and my CSV has headers. CSV header, and I close that. So yeah, and that has imported 48,620 rows. So I've imported all my files into my tables. So all 4 tables are imported or have been filled using my CSV files that I have on my local PC. So we are good. If we view what is on all those tables, let's go back to our SQL query tool. So let's check what's in orders, for example. So remember, it's select star from orders. Close that. And I run this just to see what's in there. And we can see we have about the total rows of 21,350. So you can see everything here. And it's just beautiful because if we had to do this with code, except someone had already written out all that query for us and we already have all the query written out and we just paste it. But if we have to write this, 21,350 is quite a lot. So it's quite nice that we can import a CSV file in here. So let's also check, let's check another table. Let's check the pizza types. So let's select star from pizza types. Yeah, we close that with a semicolon, and I can run this as well. And then we have our data here. Let me expand this a bit. Yeah, so we have our data here. So yeah, so this is good. So we have all the data. So you can try it out. You can just create a database of your own. You could get CSV files from whatever source you want, but ensure that when creating the database, the column names match the columns in your CSV file. So that's pro tip 1. Ensure that the column names match the column names in your CSV file, and the data type matches, because if the data type does not match, it's not going to import. So ensure the data type matches. And I still advise we stick to the PSQL method because it just doesn't have as much issues as the import and export with the GUI. So in the next class now that we have all our data, in the next class we are going to be looking at the select statement. We've been working on, we've been doing some stuff with select statements. We've been viewing what's on our table, but we're going to be looking in depth at the select statement, what it does, how we can manipulate data using the select statement in the next class. So let's try it out on our own. Like I said, let's create some database. Let's try and fill it up with CSV if you can find online or from whatever source. Remember, I'll be adding a link on this video to where we can download the files we used in this video. So I look forward to see you in the next class. Stay tuned.